Hey guys, what's up? Totally Tech Stuff here, and this is, as you see, this is the first time I'm actually trying to make a video like using a view like this, like most of you people use, and this is going to be the unboxing and install of the Serial ATA 2.5-inch Seagate 500 gigabyte laptop hard drive. And I'll be installing this in my customer's Toshiba laptop, which currently has a broken hard drive. I tested it and it, came out with the error message. So I'll go ahead and unbox this for you, and then I'll show you how I install it. So just take the plastic off. So see, there's a little seal, so I have to break it. I like unboxing stuff. I don't know. It's just, I guess everybody does. Come on. Why do they seal it like that? It's a tough thing. Oh well. Wait, let me go on this side. There you go. And here you see the hard drive. So let me just go ahead and take this out of the box. There's nothing else in the box, just packing material. So you see the hard drive here. Let me go ahead and get my notebook that I'm going to service. So this is a Toshiba laptop. Currently has a failing hard drive, which is installed right in there. So I'll go ahead, get some tools, and we'll install it. So I need the screwdriver, which is, I had it right here. I had it right there. Hold on a second. Oh, it's right there. Okay, so I found the screwdriver. Okay, to install the hard drive. Oops. Is it even for you guys? Because I don't. Let me try to even it up. Alright. First thing I gotta do is unscrew the screw that's currently right in there. I'll show you. Right in here. So I'll go ahead and here's my screwdriver. Just take the screw out. Nice and easy. Then we lift this thing up. Alright, and there you see the exposed hard drive held by two screws. You see there are two screws in here, 1 and 2. I have to take them out too, so just stay with me for a second. You know what, I will, since I have to stabilize, I'll move the camera a little bit to the side here, so basically you could see the entire thing. You can see the screws, so I'll go ahead and take the screws out. Screw number 1. It's too far for my eyes to see, so kind of hard. Screw number 2. Alright, then there's a little pull tab here. I'll just pull the hard drive out of its case, and here it is. So now I will have to disassemble the drive. So let me move the computer aside for a second. Alright. Okay. As you can see, the drive itself. Let me change the angle a little bit so I can be closer to actual device. Alright, so you can see that the hard drive has certain screws installed on the bottom here and on the side here. So I'll go ahead and remove those screws to remove the drive of its case. So here it goes. Make sure to use the right size screwdriver because that eliminates the marks on the screws that somebody actually was fixing the computer or taking it apart. And there are 2 screws right there, so I'll have to take those out too. Alright, so we removed the hard drive now from its casing. So this is a damaged, broken Toshiba drive, 250 gigabytes, and I'll be exchanging it with a Seagate Serial ATA drive for 500 gigabytes. So I'll make a new video of installation of a new drive. See you guys later. Stay tuned for the part 2.